You want to say hi to the video?
Yeah, give me a second.
Okay.
Before you eat though, I need you to sign some stuff.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Today is another episode on the vlog series. I have 2 more days till school, and I'm so sad because Maddie is starting public school today. Oh.
Good morning.
Y'all, wait, who made this? Did you or Mom?
I made it.
My dad made chocolate croissants. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these are huge. And they are so good. They're from Trader Joe's. So next time you're at Trader Joe's, get these chocolate croissants. So good. Medicine time. I have to take my medicine, and then I'm going to package a Poshmark order and then get ready for the gym because I haven't gone to the gym in a fat minute. I want to go really bad. My first pill is for allergies because I have really bad allergies here in Texas. Second pill is for my face because it helps with preventing breakouts and all that stuff. And this pill is the biggest out of all of them. And then last but not least is my birth control. And this is the smallest pill. It's super tiny. Okay, let's go package a Poshmark order.
So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new.
First things first, I've got to tape on the shipping label to the package.
I long to be with you.
Then, this is the clothing item that was sold. It's this super cute long blue dress from Altered State. So, I'm gonna fold that and then stick it inside of here. Then I peel off this little sticker at the top and then seal it shut. Whew. And that's it, easy as pie. Which Alani Nu drink do we want today? Cosmic Stardust. Let's open this bad boy, and it's so good. Okay, let's freaking grind. Let's work out. Gotta get ready for school. I'll see you guys at the gym. I'm back from the gym, and before I go to my lash appointment, which I have in an hour, I'm gonna make a coffee because coffee's really good. Also, you guys should be so proud of me. Look at what I'm wearing for my shorts. Look at these Christmas pajamas. Do I want a chai or a coffee is the real question. I think I'll do a coffee. Okay. First things first, I put my mug under there. Look at how cute this Instagram Reels cup is. Then I'm gonna open this, and today I'm gonna use the Original Donut Shop coffee, and this is medium roast. All right, then I'm gonna press 8 ounces over ice and then go. And while that's pouring, I'm gonna get a cup and fill it with some ice. So I'll just use this one, get some ice in there. And then we can also get out the creamer that I'm gonna be using. So I have 2 favorite creamers. I'll show you guys both of them. First one is the Starbucks White Chocolate Mocha, and then the second one is the Starbucks Caramel Macchiato. Today I'm gonna use the Caramel Macchiato creamer. coffee is done. There's two reasons why I only fill it up halfway. The first is because if I get too much caffeine with this amount plus the energy drink that I had earlier, I will probably die. Like my system will not function because I would be like a rabid squirrel on crack. This is how much I'm doing. And then also the second reason is that ice kind of helps fill it up a lot more. Now that that's in there, I can add my creamer, and this is the most satisfying part. Watch this. Oh wait, I forgot a straw. Oops, hold on. Silicone straw, mix it, and voila. Also, it matches my shirt. This is my merch if you guys want to shop it. I always have it in the description of every video. It's a coffee mug that says, I fell in love with your potential. And then the back says, both ways, which is the title of my original song. And fun fact, the reason why there's a coffee cup on the front is because I wrote a lot of these lyrics in that song at coffee shops. I'm gonna drink this and then drop off that Poshmark package at UPS. And then yeah, we'll go to my lash appointment. All right, walking to my lash appointment right now. This is what my lashes look like after getting them filled. I get questions all the time asking what I get, and I get the hybrid. So there's like the classic, the hybrid, and then volume, and I get hybrid. Okay, I'm gonna make a chai with my BlendJet, and I wanna show you guys how I do it. It's so easy and very, very convenient. I already put a cup of chai in here. Then I'm gonna do a 1/3 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna guess because I don't wanna use any more measuring cups.
And then I'm gonna show you how I clean up.
I don't know about that one. Now we blend. Oh, I'm so excited. And just like that, it stopped and it's all done. I've got a cup of ice. Let's pour this on top. I'm so excited. Taste test. Holy crap, you're joking. This is so amazing. And I've got to show you guys how easy it is to clean this thing. Okay, so what you do is you literally just fill this up with water, then you put some dish soap in it, put the lid back on. All you have to do to clean it is just press this. Now you just dump it out, rinse it one more time with water, and it's clean like you just bought it brand new. Okay, and now I just let this dry, and that's it. Guys, my dad is gonna try the chai.
I smell cinnamon. Here we go. Good.
Are you saying that, or do you actually think it's good?
I mean, I don't want this much sweetness, but it actually tastes pretty good. It tastes like a pumpkin.
Period. Yo, I feel like a chef. Unlock. Somebody dragged me along. I'm gonna go look for some chairs. My mom wants me to go to World Market with her to look at chairs because we just cleared out our like front area. There was a bunch of bushes there, and so they cleared it, and now it's just like sand. Or what is it called? Like gravel? Gravel. Dirt. So my mom wants to put like chairs or a bench there. And that's what we're gonna do right now. And it's 7 p.m. at night. I like this one better than that one.
I know, but you can't have a wide spot,
Oh yeah.
right?
Yeah. So this is the vibe that TT is going for. But I like the rocking chairs better, so I can drink coffee. What do you think? Is it comfy? I like white better. I don't like the gray. Mom, you want to tell them what we're doing?
I've asked Caroline to, what is this called?
The mermaid curl.
The mermaid curl, to see what it looks like. So stay tuned.
Your hair's so greasy. Ew.
It's not greasy. It's because of I sprayed the hair color.
It's so greasy.
It's not greasy. Don't burn my ear.
Mom, I'm not.
This is a lot of trust.
It's really not.
I'm getting goosebumps because I'm nervous. I had a high school friend that curled my hair and she burned my ear.
You burned my ear in 3rd grade. What are you talking about?
Please don't burn me.
Mom!
Like I'm getting goosebumps.
She actually does have goosebumps.
I'm having anxiety right now. Keep that hand steady.
Mom. See, I feel like whenever I do this hairstyle, it like makes your hair look blonder whenever you do.
This is pretty. I have to show. Can you take a picture of this so I can on my phone?
Yeah.